Hey everyone, back with another video. Well, as you can see, it's a little bit of a different setup. The table that you usually see is over there. It's quite messy at the moment. But today, I wanted to do a different kind of video. So, I was watching a YouTube video with Pablo Simodevela, and he made a ring out of a large nut, and I wanted to see if I could do that. Let's get started. Okay, so this is the progress so far. Flatten this side out and this side out. Now, so it fits on my finger. It's just not that comfortable, so it's going to be a little bit of a big ring for me. I'm probably not going to wear it. It's just going to be a fun project. But, oh yeah, I forgot to mention. By the way, go check out Pablo's YouTube channel. He makes really cool stuff. So yeah, I'm just going to file this out now. Hold on. So, part of it was deleted for some reason, but as you can see, there's like a little circle right here. I just flattened down these things. So yeah, I'm just gonna do with those two. This is the progress so far. I've rounded this part off and this part off, and now I'm just going to smooth everything out, and yeah. this is the progress so far. Off camera, I sanded it a little more. Now we're just getting it pretty smooth. Okay, so the holes are by no means perfect or identical, but I think that's okay. It's gonna look good. I didn't get on camera. Got a little marred here, so we'll have to sand that out. I kept on switching between the drill and my drill press. I switched through both. It was both had the same outcome. So I just did the drill in the end. And yeah, I'm just going to sand this down and make it smooth again. We've made it this far, so we've drilled holes and then put these little flattened nails in here. And then I'm going to put this in here and slide this on and just hammer it so it flattens, and then we can sand it. So now I'm going to polish this thing with my makeshift polishing wheel for my drum. So I think this is pretty good for a first attempt at making a ring out of a nut. I got it pretty shiny, got lots of marks out, polished the inside as best as I could. It's really shiny on the outside. I think these came out nice, and yeah, I'm hoping to make another one in the future, probably do some soldering, make it out of wire like a real ring. I have some other nuts and bolts over there that I can make it out of. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, and please like this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, hit the bell icon.